Hey kids, happy morning to everyone. Today in social we are going to learn metropolitan cities of India. Okay, what is meant by metropolitan cities? Metropolitan means important cities and also very large and thickly populated cities. Okay, so the important and populated cities are called as metropolitan cities. Okay, today we'll learn about the city Delhi. I think even you kids know many things about the place Delhi. So Delhi is the capital of our country, and also many important monuments are there in Delhi, like India Gate, and much interesting places like Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Lotus Temple. Those things are located in Delhi, isn't it? Many Punjabis and the people who speaks in Hindi are there in Delhi, isn't it? So we'll get started. Delhi. Okay. New Delhi is the capital of India. Yes. And it is also called a metropolitan city. So Delhi is located on the bank of river Yamuna. So it is in the bank of river Yamuna. It is known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Okay. New Delhi became the capital of independent India in which year? In the year 1947, when India became free from the British rule. So then only the Delhi is accepted as the capital of our country. Okay, now we'll learn the culture. So what is the culture they are following there? People in the New Delhi are from various religion of our country. So it is also called as like mini India because people from various country, various religion are present in Delhi, isn't it? Or a melting pot of cultures. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in Delhi. So which language is spoken much means it is Hindi, and following that Punjabi, Urdu and English are some common languages. So what are the festivals they are celebrating there? It's Diwali, Holi, Eid, Navratri and Dussehra, Lohri or a few major festivals celebrated in Delhi. So the famous foods in Delhi are chola bhature, butter chicken, chaat are some of the famous food eaten in Delhi. So chola bhature you know very well I think, and chaat, butter chicken, these are the famous food items in Delhi. We'll see about its climate. It's very hot. Okay, experience long hot summers and cold winters. There will be very hot summers and also cold winters. So transport, maximum bus transport will appear in Delhi. Apart from Delhi Transport Corporation, buses and important forms of public transport in the city is Delhi Metro, the metro train. Now we'll see the places of interest. So what are the places do you know? I know Qutub Minar, Red Fort, even they have given the same thing. Delhi is famous for its historical monuments such as Qutub Minar, which is the world's tallest brick minaret. Okay. Other famous monuments or places of interest are the Humayun's tomb, Red Fort, Lotus Temple, Bangla Sahib and Jama Masjid. So these are some of the important monuments, important places in Delhi. Next, India Gate. We know very well. It is the national monument built in the memory of Indian soldiers who sacrificed their lives for our country. So the persons who sacrificed their lives, in their memory they have built this gate. Next we are going to learn about the Rajgranth. It is the memorial place which is built for the father of our nation who is called as Mahatma Gandhi. Next we are going to learn about Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is the residence of the President of India who is called as first citizen of our country. So the President of India will stay in this Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is the place, this is the residence for the President. And we can see the Parliament in Delhi, isn't it? So Parliament House is where the law of our country are made. Here only the law of our countries are made. I hope you kids learnt about Delhi today. Even in the next class we'll learn some more metropolitan cities. Thank you kids.